Welcome to the first video of the third topic for 21M383, and this is on streams as containers in music21. Nearly all computational music processing systems, especially those that work with scores, have a concept of a container and something that's contained in it. Sometimes they're called leaves. Sometimes they're in music21, they're called elements or boringly music21 objects. And there's usually the concept of a container, whether called it or not, the concept of a leaf, whether called it or not, and a third thing we'll talk about later called spanners. This is the representation from a Python music composition toolkit that works with musical scores called Abjad, which uses leaves, containers, spanners, and something they call indicators, which are attributes. In music21 would be attributes on elements. So now that we've seen how containers and elements or leaves work in general, let's look at how containers work in music21, where they're called streams.